Okay, so now that we have actually completed a service order and we repaired the item and the tech basically said, I'm done, walked away from this, we actually need to invoice it. So we can go into the service orders and take a look at the ones that are finished. So we just filter on that. And then we can go ahead and post that. So when we post it, what happens is it will ship the power supply. So we'll reduce inventory of that. And it will invoice, actually it does ship and invoice. So I'll put here invoice and ship. It'll invoice the hours for Linda. So that creates a liability for a customer, creates AR and all of that, but it also accumulates entries onto the service item. So if I go into the service item and go into the sort of the ledger entries here, I get these items here because they were logged onto the service item. And so I have sort of a profitability for service item and also all the history, like what was replaced, how many hours we worked on it, etc., etc. And as we get further into service management, you might have service items that are under warranty and you might be billing monthly for like a service contract. And so you can start seeing how these ledger entries against a service contract can give you a profit loss based on service contract, not only that you're doing just kind of time and material basis. So we'll get later into that, but for now, let's take a look at this. Now we want to go ahead and actually post the service order. So I can go into administration here, dispatch board, and I can see I have one service order that is finished. If I take a look at the document itself, I can see that this was the item that was worked on. If I go on the actual worksheet, I can see that Linda did some work on this, and also we were going to use a power supply or ship power supply to them out of the main location as a replacement. So we close this out here and just go ahead and post this. Just go show document, and I can post from many places, but I'm going to post here. Just say ship and invoice. And the order is posted. I can take a look at the posted service invoice. That's where that is. And I can also go ahead and take a look at my service item. And so the service item we did work on was the first one here. And so we can go ahead and take a look at some of the entries that have happened. So I can see here that it has been recording a lot of stuff. We have a service item replaced, etc., etc. This is sort of log of everything that's been going on with this item. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ledger entries. So here we can see that we used and sold hours for Linda, and we sold also the power supply. So it's tracking everything for this particular service item, which is very nice. I can go into statistics, and I can see we sold here $89 worth of items, $308 worth of resources. I can see our cost and profit on this, etc.